Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Peepeeteepees Washable is probably one of the most innovative and eco-friendly solutions for pet owners seeking a cleaner, more sustainable way to manage pet accidents, offering a reusable alternative that saves money and reduces waste compared to traditional disposable pads, making it a smart choice for both your wallet and the planet. Number 5. Beba Bean Peepeeteepee Cellophane Bag Weiner Dog. Introducing a revolutionary solution for baby boy diaper changes. This innovative cover is designed to make the process simpler and cleaner for parents. Crafted from 100% cotton, these shields offer gentle yet effective protection. They are designed to guard against unexpected sprays, keeping both baby and parent dry. Say goodbye to wet and soiled baby clothes. This clever design prevents sprinkling during changes, ensuring your little one stays comfortable and clean. Looking for a unique and practical baby shower gift? These come attractively packaged and are sure to bring smiles and curiosity. Perfect for daily diaper duty with newborns and babies up to 3 months old. They are washable and reusable, helping to reduce waste while providing reliable protection. These travel-ready covers fit easily into any diaper bag or purse. They are an essential item for any parent needing to change a baby boy's diaper while out and about. What we like? This one features a charming Weiner dog design, perfect for adding a touch of fun to diaper changes. It's also travel-ready, making it convenient for on-the-go changes. If you're looking for a cute and practical gift that will bring a smile to any new parent's face, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. If you are thinking you don't need these, think again. Sure, when I bought them I thought, how cute you put it on his little Peepee, and it has Weiner dogs on it. But I have used these countless times and they have saved me. Sure, I have had my fair share of surprise peas shot up in my face, but at least I have been able to avoid some. Very absorbent, but a little small. Wish they held more urine, but mostly effective. Design is cute and easy to wash. Great invention, you just have to remember to use them. So I think these are a great idea for a funny baby gift, but I must say that these actually work. LOL, they absorb a lot and they are perfect for diaper changes and my favorite for those DR apps. The staff always found them funny and they do help. I thought it would make a mess, but no, they actually absorb. Number 4. Peepeeteepee Jungle Green, 5-pack. Introducing the Peepeeteepee, your ultimate solution for stress-free diaper changes. Designed specifically for baby boys, it makes a messy job much cleaner. Crafted from 100% soft cotton, these shields provide gentle yet effective protection. They guard against unexpected sprays, keeping your baby's clothes dry and clean. Looking for a unique and practical baby shower gift? This comes attractively packaged and is sure to bring smiles and laughs. It's a thoughtful addition to any gift basket for a baby boy. Simplify your daily diaper routine with these washable and reusable pea shields. They are perfect for newborns and 0 to 3-month-old babies, helping to reduce waste and provide reliable protection. Compact and travel-friendly, these shields fit easily into any diaper bag or purse. They ensure you're always prepared for diaper changes, no matter where you are. What we like? Opt for the stylish jungle green design for a touch of nature-inspired fun. Made from soft, 100% cotton, it offers gentle protection for your baby boy. If you prioritize comfort and a classic, clean look for your baby essentials, this option is ideal. What people say. The product is very absorbent and keeps my baby dry all night long. Easy to wash and dry, and they hold up well after multiple washes. The design is cute and the material is soft against my baby's skin. Number 3. Beba Bean Peepeeteepee Digger Blue, 5-pack. Introducing the Peepeeteepee, a must-have for baby boys. This soft, absorbent shield makes diaper changes a breeze, keeping you dry and your baby comfortable. Crafted from 100% cotton, these gentle shields provide reliable protection. They guard against unexpected sprays, ensuring your baby's clothes stay clean and dry. Looking for a unique baby shower gift? This set comes attractively packaged and is sure to bring smiles and laughter. It's a practical and fun addition to any new parent's collection. These reusable shields are perfect for daily diaper duty with newborns and babies up to 3 months old. They help reduce waste while providing dependable protection. Designed for life on the move, these covers fit easily into any diaper bag. They are essential for convenient diaper changes wherever you and your baby boy may be. What we like. This digger blueprint is sure to be a hit with little ones and parents alike. It provides an absorbent shield to keep everyone dry during diaper changes. If you're searching for a fun and functional baby shower gift that's both practical and adorable, this is a great pick. What people say. The product is very absorbent and keeps my baby dry all night. Easy to wash and dry, they hold up well after multiple washes. The design is cute and the fit is snug, preventing leaks. Number 2. Beba Bean Peepeeteepees Cellophane Bag, Baseball. Introducing the Beba Bean Peepeeteepees, designed specifically for baby boys. This innovative cover makes diaper changes a breeze, keeping you dry and your baby comfortable. Crafted from 100% cotton, these soft shields offer gentle protection. They effectively guard against unexpected sprays, preventing your baby's clothes from getting wet and soiled. Looking for a unique baby shower gift? This pack comes attractively packaged and is sure to bring laughs and delight to any new parents. These reusable shields are perfect for daily diaper duty for newborns up to 3 months. They help reduce waste while providing reliable protection during every change. Designed for convenience, these covers fit easily into any diaper bag or purse. They are an essential item for changing your baby boy anytime, anywhere. What we like. Score a home run with this baseball-themed design, perfect for sports-loving families. It's easy to carry in your diaper bag for changes anywhere. If you appreciate eco-friendly options and want to add a sporty flair to your baby's gear, this is the one for you. What people say. I have used these countless times and they have saved me. The pros would be me not needing to change the pad, wash the wall, and the baby. Very absorbent, but a little small. Wish they held more urine but mostly effective. Design is cute and easy to wash. Number 1. Lil Monkey Peepeeteepees with Laundry Bag. Tired of unexpected sprinkles during diaper changes? Our soft, reusable baby pee caps are designed to protect you from those little surprises, making changes cleaner and drier. With this 5-pack, you'll always have one ready when you need it. Keep them handy by the changing table or toss one in your diaper bag for peace of mind on the go. Made from soft, terry-lined cotton flannel, these lightweight cones provide gentle coverage without irritation. Your baby will stay comfortable while you stay clean. These washable and reusable caps offer a smart, economical way to stay dry. They provide a reliable shield not just during changes, but also when applying creams. Looking for an indispensable gift for a new mom? These vibrant and fun baby boy essentials are a must-have for any newborn's changing routine. This set comes complete with a handy laundry bag, making it easy to keep the pee shields clean and ready for their next use. Practicality meets convenience. What we like. This option comes with a handy laundry bag, making it super convenient to keep them clean. The terry-lined cotton ensures maximum softness against your baby's skin. If you're a new mom looking for a complete and comfortable solution for diaper changes, especially one that simplifies laundry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Peepeeteepees is so cute, it's well made. The stitching in the fabric is nice and soft material. It's a great concept, and when talking about quality, they are well made. I purchased the blue elephants and very cute design. Also nice that there is a bag to put them in to keep them stored in a clean location to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.